Guys, so this is another Leetcode section. So this problem is much difficult, called for sum. Okay, so for sum, and so basically you need to find basically same as two sums, but the difficult part is you need to find all the answers. So basically, somebody gives you a string, you need to at least find A, B, C, D, which they are not at the same position, so they cannot be reused, and the sum of them is target. And you need to count with all the pairs. And the difficult part is that it must not contain the duplicates, quadruplets. Okay, so the first part is I first create a hash table. So I from I to 1 to n, from I to 0 to n, and j from I plus 1 to n, and I create numbers. So I create a sum of them. And if it's not in the hash table, then I just collect it. And so basically I initiate. If else, then I append it. So basically I create for each numbers, I create all the solutions. So basically you can view this. I solve the two sum problems in this small hash table. And after that, I can do the same thing. I just add if the target minus the other two are in the hash table, then I take the hash table out, and I check for each solution that the first one and the second one, or the first one and second one cannot be I and j. So this is very important, because otherwise you will reuse some element. And after that, I just take this take this answer. So this is the origin, the third and the fourth elements, and this is the first two elements come from hash table. And I add it to be A, and I sort it. Because why I sort it? Because I need to prevent a duplicates the quadruplets. So I need to prevent a duplicate. And if A not in our answer, and I just collect it. Okay, so this is basically you first solve the two sum problems, and you change it a little bit for another number, you can get a for sum. So basically this is the O square n square time, n square time and n square space. Okay, and memory use is somewhat large, but somehow faster than still okay. Yeah, 0 guys, still very good. Okay, so I will see you guys in next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.